How to delete watermark in KineMaster. You have probably seen that logo in the corner of the exported videos right here, but don't worry, I will show you how to delete it. First, edit your video or photo in KineMaster and tap on export right here. Once you tap on it, tap on save as video. Now wait a few minutes, tap on skip, go to gallery. As you can see, your photo has been saved, but you have got this watermark right here. Now in order to remove it, all you have to do is crop it like this, and just like that your watermark has been removed. Now here is the truth, the KineMaster watermark only appears in the free version of the app. Now if you want to remove it, you need to upgrade to KineMaster Premium. To do that, open the KineMaster. Now once you open the KineMaster, tap the crown icon in the top left corner, tap on it. Now you will see the premium subscription plans, monthly, yearly, or sometimes a 3-day free trial. Now choose the plan that works best for you. Now once you choose it, tap and subscribe, and once you are subscribed, any new videos you export will be clean and professional with no KineMaster logo. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.